Backyard paradise, private retreat, swimming pool utopia.
We knew we wanted somewhere to go to relax that was simple, classy, that would last through time with all the trends and phases, and we didn't know what we wanted at all.
The secret to good backyard design is to know the customer first, their family, their lifestyle. How do they want to use their backyard?
Finding the right contractor with a passion for the project is rare. Enter Cliff's Pools and Patios.
This is our pool surfacing showroom, and it shows you how sophisticated the world of pool plastering has become. NPT is our premier brand, and they have manufactured exclusively for us what we think is the most amazing surface available, which is the Cliff's Choice Crystal Blue. 100% of the bluing effect is created from the blue quartz aggregate, which is ceramic and never changes color. So we're extremely proud of that, and it is far and away our #1 seller. Our world of pool tile has become as diverse and sophisticated as our surfaces. And now we can combine them. So we can take a visual of how the tile will look next to the surface, next to the pool's coping, and tie that all into the architecture of the home,